Hi, do you want to hear how healing energy helped Chhaya, a rescue cat? Hi, I'm Diane from HealingReikiLounge. Chhaya came to me with major anxiety. She was scared of every little sound. During our first session, her energy softened, and her owner noticed a difference almost immediately. She started sleeping better, was less reactive, and even seemed more playful. It's incredible what healing energy can do to help pets feel safe and loved. Have you got a pet who could use this kind of support? Let's chat. I'd love to help you both. Have questions about how it works? Drop them below and I will organize a question and answer session with them. I'll see you soon again.